Hello everybody and welcome. In this video I'm going to show you how to pair your earbuds Philips with your MacBook. You have to start by press one time at the Bluetooth button at the top, but if you don't have it, just go to the control panel and click at the Bluetooth here. Then go to the settings, and after that open the charging case and remove your earbuds from the charging case. It will enter to prank mode automatically, so we should see it at the device list. And here we go. Now click connect near to it. And we did it! Thank you for watching this video. If you found it helpful, please consider subscribing to the channel and leave a like on the video. See you later!